5,456 euros in 1 week, in 7 days, with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, what I'm talking about, as you can see over here, right? What I'm talking about Google pay-per-click in this video is because once you start running traffic, once you are paying for ads, your intention is to get the money back, right? So you are spending, let's say, $1 per day, and intent is to get $2 or $5 back in the same day. And yes, it's possible to make $5 or even $7 back on $1 ad spend. Or, for example, $1,000 spent, $7,000 or $6,000 back in a day. That's possible once you know what is your message to the market match, what is your niche, is it evergreen, and who is your audience, and make irresistible offers. So this is very important. Now, how we do this, right? How you can replicate, copy and paste the same thing and actually get someone to help you one-on-one, step by step, is by actually doing it, by taking action and not procrastinating, right? So in this space, this was in the self-help dating space, females dating space, right? Now again, you don't have to be in the weight loss space. It works well with supplements on ClickBank, MaxZap, of course. But the lowest competition you can find, for example, in females dating space, men's dating space, even in the hobbyist niche, solar, online gambling space, right? All these niches are addiction markets. So evergreen, where they are spending money 24/7, like a clockwork, hand over fist, right? So how it works, let me show you over here how exactly you can do this yourself and what is important when it comes to affiliate marketing, right? So the first thing is over here, audience, right? So we have different emotional states. You have high emotional states and low emotional states. What do I mean by that? You see, on ClickBank, or when you have someone watching VSL webinar for 45 minutes, you have different segments of audiences. You have people who are 35 to 65 years old, living in New Zealand, Australia, UK, or Canada, or USA, right? Top tier, top 5 countries or continents, right? Europe and Australia and USA. Now you're gonna have people who are hopeless and desperate, those with diabetes, cancer, or whatever, diseases, back pain, chronic diseases, right? And again, I'm just giving you idea, and it's entirely up to you if you're promoting crappy or high quality products, right? At the end of the day, it's up to you. But you have to understand there is no AI thing that's gonna do the work for you. Most of the gurus selling you AI thing, AI voices, are just making money off of selling you the software, right? Because software, it will not do the job for you. What you need is someone who can help you step by step along the way, so you can have sustainable, again, the name of the game is sustainable online earnings, right? So first, emotional states, and then targeting. Who are you targeting? What are their interest level? Are they unaware? Are they product aware? Are they totally unaware, or even solution unaware audiences? You see, if you're promoting beefsteak, I don't know, steaks to vegans, right? It won't work, even though you're giving them for free away, right? It won't work. Why? Because it's the wrong audience. So messaging is very important. Again, message to the market match. Message to the market match is very important, and you can do that with your text on ad copy, with your headline, right? And then again, competing on the economics on the back end is very important. So your upsell take rate go up, and you can make a lot more money and affiliate commissions as a super affiliate from all these upsells that are happening on the back end, right? So again, you don't have to do it yourself. And once you have someone who can help you, right? If you would already know how to make $10,000 to $20,000 per month, you wouldn't be watching this video, right? And you don't. And again, it's not your fault. And because the reason you don't know how to make this kind of money is because you tried all the other things and you never had personal one-on-one support. You never had someone who can show you deeper looks in psychology of marketing, exactly how things are done, what colors to use, what language pattern to use on the VSL or the landing page or pre-sale page. What are the 5 points of pre-selling that you have to use in order to make 30 to 45 conversion rate upfront on the front end products, right? So you never had someone who can help you, right? You never had one-on-one relationship. You never was able to look over the shoulder on a Zoom call when someone is one-on-one hand holding you, so you can have sustainable stress-free results, Alright, so as you watch this video, if you really want the results, if you really want to win with affiliate marketing, with ClickBank or any other private VIP networks, let me know. Okay, so what you can do next, as you see over here, is you can like this video, comment, subscribe now to this YouTube channel, and you can join my free email list where I share deep insights into what's working right now in 2024 with affiliate marketing, even though you're a beginner. All right, because it's only take 30 minutes per day, 30 minutes per day or 4 hours per week to get it going to 10 to 20,000 dollars per month. Because let's be honest, once you have a website or a blog or a click on us page, it only takes 30 minutes per day to manage, maybe 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening to just manage ad campaign. And again, you don't have to do it alone. All right, it's all done for you and together with you. Now, you can reach me on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, all the numbers and everything, the links are below in the description, but only if you're serious. If you really want to get the results, let me know, okay? And again,